Hello everyone, this is Advocate Radhika Sharma. In this video, we will discuss the kinds of amendments. In our last, previous videos, we have already discussed what is abatement and the description of abatement ka and punishment of provision of abatement ka. So in this video, we will discuss the kinds of abatement. So basically, the kinds of amendment is first is अमेंडमेंट बाय इंस्टिगेशन हुआ या फिर अमेंडमेंट बाय कॉन्सिडर लाइक थ्री टाइप्स के होते हैं बेसिकली जैसे अमेंडमेंट बाय इंस्टिगेशन द सेकेंड वन इज अमेंडमेंट बाय कॉन्स्पिरेसी एंड द थर्ड वन इज द अमेंडमेंट बाय एडिंग. So in the amendment by instigation में we all know what is instigation. So instigation means suggesting or inciting or encouraging a person to do an act or omit the doing of an act for the purpose of abatement of a crime. And instigation should be enough to actively encourage a person to commit an offense or crime. It can either be by words, gesture or even hints. However, the instigation should actively encourage a person to commit a crime. The person instigating all will thus be an abater to the offense committed. And the second one is abatement by conspiracy. Though conspiracy means agreement between two or more person to commit an act or commit an act of illegal nature का. The conspirators जो होते हैं must actively be involved in preparing and committing that offense. The act that the conspirator conspire to do should in itself be illegal होना चाहिए, unlawful and punishable. In many dowry death cases, the relative of husband के in-laws जो होते हैं of the victim के are very often guilty of for abatement by conspiracy. Their constant taunts, torture or instigation are taken as abatement. And the third one is abatement by aiding. So the third way in which abatement can be carried out in is by intentionally or willfully helping, aiding the offender in committing the offense, illegal act. And even here the intention to aid the offender is significant. जो नेसेसरी एलिमेंट होता है इसमें अबेटमेंट में इज इंटेंशन होती है या फिर मेंसरिया. एंड तो द इंटेंशन इन मेंसरिया वी ऑल नो बीइंग अ लॉ स्टूडेंट मेंसरिया और द इंटेंशन टू कॉज अ क्राइम इज अ नेसेसरी एलिमेंट है to prove a crime for proceeding against the person for abatement. And of the burden of proving of the intention or manslaughter lies upon the prosecution. Thus cruel intention to aid or instigate another to commit crime is a necessary element and is required to prove the abater guilty. Mere negligence or carelessness is not enough to punish the accused as per these provision of abatement under IPC. So thank you guys, thank you for watching us.